fly with.
Oh, no, no, no. The melody, it's melodious. What's up, everyone? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we're gonna feature someone new. I'm not sure who are they. In fact, I'm just getting the chance to react to them because this song was done like a day ago and couple hours. So like I'm couple hours and a day late. And I would just want to learn more about these people, right? I'm from Jamaica and I'm not really sure if these music are their music plays in my country, Jamaica. So that is the reason why I stopped by at this particular place to check out this particular song, right? And I am seeing as if it's two person who is gonna do this song, and they are called KYUNG So and Lee SOHYUN, right? And this song is called Rewrite the Stars cover. Look, forgive me if I pronounce the name incorrectly. The names are killing me and I am not sure how these names are literally, being pronounced, right? But one question, do anyone who's watching this video is a fan of Bob Marley, the legend? Please let me know down in the comments and let's have a good time with this video. Peace. Oh, it's a bro.
You know I want you.
This is a very beautiful voice. This is a very beautiful voice. So I guess he's the one who's called Do KYUNG So. I guess that's him.
It's not a secret I try to hide. I know you want me.
Whoa, his voice is magical. Very much magical.
So don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards, but fate is pulling your mind.
Whoa, and this song is also beautiful. I'm not sure who sung this song, but this is a cover song and it is amazing. If I'm not sure about the original author of this song, then this guy would be the perfection to write this song. But it's a cover, unfortunately.
Miles away and out of reach from me, but you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're mine?
Oh, ah, such a relaxing song, bro.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could.
This is way too magical. This is way too magical. I mean, like, it's my first time here and I'm happy.
Keep us apart. You be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you and it's up to me.
Nice. Nice. Does he always sings like this? If he does, he has now earned a fan. Trust me.
No one can say what we get to be, so why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world could.
I guess his voice literally makes people happy. Based on how he's just so calmly, he's just delivering the song. The delivery is on point. The punchline is on point. It is a very, very good performance, bro.
Be yours tonight.
What wonderful instrumental, what wonderful beat. Now it's Miss Lee SOHYUN time now. So let's see what she have to say here.
You think it's easy. You think I don't wanna run to you, but there are my.
Wow. Wow, remarkable. This is remarkable. I thought the guy was good, but she surpasses him. Wow, this is remarkable. Trust me.
And there are doors that we can't walk through. I know you're wondering why, because we able to be
Awesome. This is awesome. No, no, no. Yo, look, in Jamaica, right, we have various artists, various songs, various music, right, from different walks of life, right? And I'm very happy to put these people in my Jamaican place because, music is very beautiful, especially when it's been sung correctly, when it's been sung like, magical. The music brings off a lot of magic from it, right? And this is what I call a magical music.
just you, me, within this walls. But when we go outside, we're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless.
Wow, I am loving her voice, right? Her voice makes you want to feel so relaxing. Okay, for example, right? On a Sunday morning, right? Or on a beach side where the day is so cool, the sun is like under a shade from above, and you are sitting, you are relaxing, you are feeling the breeze, bro. This is the type of nostalgia her voice gives.
After all, no one can rewrite the stars. How can we say
Yo, her vocals, it's insane. It is way too much than I expected. I think she can do better, bro. I think she could be able to go higher than the pace she's on now.
you'll be mine? Everything keeps us apart, and I'm not the one you were meant to find. It's not
Sweet music. Sweet music. The artists, they are doing a great artwork, right? The picture that they're painting from this song, it's vividly clear as day, bro. You can picture this so much so. No, no.
up to you, it's not up to me. When everyone tells us what we can be, how can we rewrite the story?
Who else get that happy feeling from this song? Please let me know because right now I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling like my day is now being completed. Trust me, it's been a while from today. I smiled so brightly. Damn you! This is so good. No.
Say that the world can be ours tonight. All I want is to fly with
Oh, no, no, no. The melody, it's melodious. Oh my god, yo. I do not know these two, but this collaboration suits them very well.
you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. It isn't possible.
Stunning, absolutely stunning. Right now, guys, you guys have now earned yourself a fan of Jamaica. Trust me. Trust me, yo. This is way too much that I bargained for. Like, I never expected this at all. Wow.
Is it impossible? Said it is possible. How do we rewrite the story?
Oh my god, this is bewildering. Very much bewildering.
Say you were made to be mine. Nothing can keep us apart. 'Cause you were the one I was meant to.
Yo, such authentic feeling, bro. The feeling is realistic. You can feel the song coming from out their souls, bro. Like, whoa. Whoa, this grabs my attention, like, even furthermore.
Fine, it's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be, and why don't we
Such a blessing to sit and to listen to these two sing, right? They are killing it.
rewrite
Beautiful music existed up to this day, right? It is just that the beat, the tempo, everything changes, right? The artists themselves changes because everyone these days have different mentality. But when we do see music which is good enough for us, we should embrace that thing. Trust me, because it's not every music these days has a good message. But this is very good. Trust me.
You know I want you.
And you know, when we sit and we listen to people who sing like this, we have to just humble ourselves and listen because what better can we do?
It's not a secret I try to hide, but I can't have you. We're born to break in my hand.
Sweet Mother Mary. No, no, no. This is incredible.
Are tied.
Damn, bro. That was superb. I gotta say, I enjoyed every bit of that song. Every bit of that performance was well done. You guys have done an excellent job, and I'm looking forward for more of your songs. Right? I gotta stay sober. I gotta stay up to date with y'all, so I could check out some more songs of you too. So, if you guys enjoy this reaction, please leave a like on the video. Smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next suggested video. Peace. Stay safe. Wow, good.